Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Just a quick look at XRP today then, and as we can see, looking like after a little bit of a bounce off of this previous level of resistance, I think it's been flipped potentially back into support. You can see we're coming down again today, retracing towards that level, and in my opinion, looking like we're probably going to see ourselves retrace a little bit deeper into this area, judging by the strength of this candle right now. I think Bitcoin probably is just messing around, and that is the reason that XRP is bouncing around as well. Yes, as you can see, Bitcoin doing this. Today, a bit of a red candle, and you can see XRP just following suit and waiting to see what happens next. As I said before, I've got a small long position looking to come up towards at least this level here, maybe this level up here, as we have come back inside this level here and got the bounce. However, it remains to be seen whether or not we are going to get a true bounce off of this level and continue to the upside. So we're going to have to see what happens over the next few days. You can see here for XRP, we've had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction down here, back down to this previous level. And we have been, in this nice little uptrend like this. So I do think we could see a bounce like this fairly easily, in my opinion. Now that we've retraced to that previous swing high there, got the nice bounce, and now looking for that a bit of support. Obviously, highly led by Bitcoin right now. And if Bitcoin does roll over like it is looking like it might, to come back down to get to a key level for a bounce, XRP is probably going to do the same. If that's the case, we'll be looking at coming back down to this level here at the very least, in my opinion. And then we'll be looking at something like this, won't we, where we've got this kind of probably more likely scenario that we break down from this area if that is the case. But right now, XRP, just chilling on the macro, really just been chopping sideways for the past year, waiting for that SEC case to get resolved for Ripple Labs. After that, XRP is probably going to absolutely explode. I'm holding some long-term bags of this for that. I'm pretty damn excited for when that happens, to be honest, because in my opinion, we'll probably end up making a new all-time high over the next few years for XRP, and it's going to be pretty insane to watch. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Super quick updates on XRP and other cryptos on the channel all the time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. You can see here on the hourly time frame, we've just been going sideways, really, waiting for that next move in either direction in the market. So that is it for today. As I said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.